came and bullied him. Die! Eat my bum! He broke his arm off.
Hands in the leg.
And they never came back again because they were crumbled to bits. And so the woman ran away. Oh! Help me! I'm still gonna eat it. Bye-bye.
Can I get bent one?
You like my belly button? Beep, happy. Oh.
He's very excited, isn't he? Are you having fun there?
Purple. Damn right, I agree.
You don't pick on who you eat, fat ones, thin ones.
I'm not picking. Beggars can't be choosers.
Going on Bieber.
I fucking know. By the way, I am not actually doing these high-pitched noises today. I've got it on my phone, yeah?
Saying that we finish
Yeah?
at 10 tomorrow.
Yeah. It's on my phone.
I'm editing it, so now it will say liar,
Ready?
liar.
Ready? Go ahead.
Carnivorous bastard.
Right, art attack. Tip on how to make a triangle. You fold it, like so. You fold it again, like so. Hang on. Ah, much better. No, I'm not. Anyway, then. Second or third. Hang on. Please, cut. Much better. right. As I say, you fold it in half, and then half again. Then you bend it round to a V. See? Then you bend it round again. Then you fold underneath the triangle. You see? Fold that bit underneath the triangle.
The what?
The triangle.
The what?
The triangle. Then you bend like the other triangle. Like so. Triangle. Bend the triangle. You get this? Yeah, cool. Right, and you should look something like this.
Oh, what are you going to say and then you shit? What is she doing?